What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the filler for the 14-15 cup break. Top four are going to win. I'm going to run this just like a Raz. So we're going to go live. We're live at 11:48. It's 11, just turned 11:49 here in Denver. I have no list, so we're going to go get a fresh list. We got Mr. Witter on top and Mr. Witter on the bottom. Paste. Witter on top, Witter on the bottom. No spaces in between, guys. We're going 3 times, top 4. So good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Witter on top after 2. What am I doing here? Still half asleep and it's noon. That timestamp's at 11:49. Just turned 11:50. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Joakim gets Tampa. Rick, Joakim, Jason. Marty and Kyle, you guys don't seem to have very much luck with the randomizer. So Joakim, you get Tampa. Rick, you get Dallas. Joakim, San Jose. Jason, Arizona. Congrats, guys. And I will do that final timestamp. $11.50 and $11.50.